Very aware of movement. You're aware of all these subtle movements. Take the arms over the head. Place the arms on top of the head. Now select a point somewhere on the wall. Fix the gaze on that point and start. Inhaling up in the stretch. Going on tip of the toes. And exhale down. 10 down. So emphasize on deep breathing. Inhale up in the stretch. Going on tip of the toes. Exhale down. You are totally aware. Every time you release tiredness, stiffness, the blocked energies release and leaves the body. 4 over, 6 more. As you finish, release the arms. 10 rounds over. Now directly moving to the next one, the swinging palm tree, the Triyaka Tadasana. Your legs apart by 1.5 feet. Keep the feet parallel. Interlock the fingers once again. Turn the palm up. Take the arms over the head. Stretch the arms here. Inhale. Exhale. Bend the body to the right. Inhale. Come back. Exhale to the left. Those who have a severe back problem, bend but bend little, only 2 to 5 degrees bend to the side, not much. Inhale, center, exhale other side. Your awareness in the sides and the rest. So 3 over, 7 more times each side. So 10 times each side. This is the swing palm tree, the Triyaka Tadasana. And the last one. And then release the arms. And with the same gap, arms to the side, the Kati Chakrasana. Here inhale, exhale, reach the body. So 10 times each side is the next rotating pose. So all 3 practices, one after the other. Every time inhale, open the arms to the side, exhale, twist the body. This twist from above the rest. The below the rest will remain still. Ten times each side. Now speed up the dynamic one. Some quick movements. Forget about the breath. Loosen up the entire body. Now stop the practice and relax with the closed eyes. Shut your eyes, take the body, head to the toes. The combined effect of all these 3 practices, the Tadasana, Triyaka Tadasana, Kati Chakrasana, entire body breath, all the tiredness, the stiffness, the fatigue, the discomfort, the uneasiness, the blocked energies out of the body. Take the body, observe the body, head to the toes. Take 1 to deep breathe in out, relax completely.